Dr. Michael Bartlett. I'm a plant pathologist here at Scion in our pathogen ecology and control team, and I've worked here at Scion for about 6 years. So I was really fortunate to have the opportunity to work with Dr. Julia Sowawata, who was leading the project I'm talking about today. This research is looking at the fungal pathogen Austropuccinia Psidii, and it's a rust fungus that originates in South America. It was first detected here in New Zealand in 2017. It affects plants in the Myrtaceae family, and the fungus has different variants in different parts of the world as well. When rust first arrived here in New Zealand, we didn't know how it would interact, and this project was all about collecting seed and sending that seed to different places around the world so it could be screened against those different biotypes. The whole program of work involved researchers here at Scion and involved researchers from Plant and Food Research and Manaki Whenua here in New Zealand, as well as researchers overseas in Australia, South Africa and Uruguay. So probably the key finding from this work was that all of the different biotypes of the fungal pathogen that were tested were able to infect and cause disease on the native myrtle seedlings that were sent overseas and screened. And that tells us that if those biotypes of the fungus were to arrive here in New Zealand, the ones that we don't have currently, that they would be able to infect those plants. And that's really important because we don't know how they would react to the environment here in New Zealand and whether they might be able to hybridize with the current biotype that we have. And at the moment, we don't have any operational surveillance in place to be able to detect a new biotype if it were to arrive. And so this work really highlighted the need for those tools to be developed. And recently some work's been published on a new diagnostic tool to be able to do that. This research is just one example of a number of different research projects that our team here at Scion have worked on for myrtle rust. It's an important environmental pathogen that impacts some of our native Myrtaceae trees. This project in particular is a really nice example of how researchers from different CRIs in New Zealand, as well as researchers at universities and organisations internationally, were able to work together to help combat something that's a threat all around different parts of the world.